Have you ever been frustrated when you accidentally deleted an app from your iPhone, only to realize that it was important? Finding apps you've already deleted doesn't have to be a challenge. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily find any app that has been previously deleted from your iPhone. After watching this video, you'll learn the simple steps for locating and downloading all of your favorite apps onto your device once again. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the Apple App Store and then tap on your profile icon at the top right. Once you are on this screen, you'll see an option called Purchased. So go ahead and tap on that. And underneath the All section, it will show you all the apps on your phone. If you tap Not on this iPhone, you'll see all the apps you've downloaded in the past that are currently not on your phone or that you've deleted from your phone. So you can scroll down and see all the apps that you downloaded and deleted on this list. And once you find something you need to download back to your phone, simply tap on this icon on the right-hand side. So once you re-download that app, it will appear on your home screen. If it's not on your home screen once you've downloaded it, you can swipe right, and at the top right you'll see a folder called Recently Added. So your app might appear here. If so, you can tap and hold the app and then select Add to Home Screen. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.